Spell is the local badge of abracadabra money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and ranch yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages inside the biological system. Assuming that you're searching for Spell token cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Spell token Spell will go from here on out. We will investigate the previous costs of Spell token Spell and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $789 and Spell is presently positioned #452 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Spell token is 107,405, 628,969 with a market cap of $84,795, 553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Spell token is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly 14.5% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have in any case. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Spell token value forecast number cruncher. Our Spell expectation number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models break down an immense range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase feeling, to give a complete forecast of Spell token. Basically, input your ideal time span and see the possible anticipated worth of Spell token. Our number cruncher will create an extensive rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. We anticipate future Spell token cost expectation Spell gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give our altogether most extreme authentic information for the Spell coin which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Spell token value forecast outline. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2025 is $0.13, with a likely high of $0.117. There is potential for Spell token cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $102 toward the finish of 2030. The typical extended cost for Spell token in 2040s is supposed to be $4,547, with possible fluctuations somewhere in the range of $4,287 and $577. As of the most recent update, Spell token is exchanging at around $709. Long-haul investigation proposes that Spell token cost might actually flood to $0.69 and 90 by 2050. Spell token value forecast 2024. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $958. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.11 with the typical worth of $0.99. Spell token value forecast 2025. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.13 in 2025. The Spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.17 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.14 all through 2025. Spell value conjecture for 2026. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.19 in 2026. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.3 with the typical exchanging cost of $0 all through 2026. Spell token Spell value forecast 2027. The cost of one Spell token is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0 in 2027. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $3 with the typical cost of $99 all through 2027. Spell token value forecast 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $42 in 2028. The spell token cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $5 with the typical cost of $43 all through 2028. Spell token cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $58 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $71 with the typical conjecture cost of $6. Spell token spell value forecast 2030. Spell token cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $93 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $102 with the typical figure cost of $96. Spell token value figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2031 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $119. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $147 with the typical exchanging cost of $123. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2032 the cost of spell token is determined to be at around a base worth of $171. The spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $202 with the typical exchanging worth of $177 in USD. Spell token value expectation 2033. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $236. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $295 with the typical exchanging cost of $245. Spell token value gauge 2040. Inspecting verifiable execution gives setting, yet it is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of spell token is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $42.87. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $577 with a typical worth of $45.47. Spell value figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is urgent, however opinion can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the most extreme cost of spell token is supposed to reach $0.6990, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.6457. The base cost is projected to be around $0.6180. Spell token value figure facts. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell token spell could go to $999 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $143 mark. What is the spell token cost today? Today's spell token spell is exchanging at $789 with the market cap of $84, $795, $553,000. What amount will spell token be worth in 5 years? In 5 years,